Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the mesh liner is the right size for your crib and that the mattress is set to the correct height. Once done, locate the bottom center of the liner and tuck it firmly under the mattress so it seats evenly. You then smooth outward toward both ends to remove wrinkles. Make sure ties are accessible. Attach the nearest ties to the slats loosely at first so you can adjust fit. This immediate anchoring prevents the liner from shifting while you work around the crib. Next, move clockwise around the crib, securing ties at corners first and then at midpoints between slats. You want slight slack so the mesh is taut but not stretched. This keeps it breathable and reduces strain on seams. Once ties are attached, adjust vertical tension by lifting the mattress slightly and retucking the mesh until it sits flat against the inside crib rails. If excess material bunches, fold and retuck rather than cutting. Make sure each tie is tied with a secure knot that is accessible for later adjustment. For the final steps, do a thorough safety inspection. Verify there are no gaps larger than a finger between mesh and crib rails, the mattress remains firm, and ties are out of the baby's reach. Press the liner inward at several spots to ensure it stays secure under light force. If you notice movement, ready knots tighter and reposition tucks. You can add small Velcro clips at stress points for extra hold. One key troubleshooting tip: if the liner consistently shifts, remove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.